question is, the table shows two methods used to make ethanol. Actually, these two methods are very common. The first one, fermentation, and the second one is adding the steam of water to ethene. Okay, fermentation process, okay, batch type of process, and it needs 35 degrees, and here it needs 300 degrees. The pressure here is 1, and here is 60 atm. Catalyst, here is the yeast, and this is the acid, and source of raw material, sugarcane, and here is the petroleum. What the question is, which statement give an advantage of preparing ethanol by fermentation? Or the most important advantage by fermentation is the degree. Here we need just 35 degree, but in case of adding steam of water to ethene, we need more temperature, and which is making it more expensive. So the advantages of fermentation rather than the adding steam of ethene is fermentation takes several days to complete. This is a disadvantage, not advantage. Little energy is used in the fermentation process. Of course, this is the correct answer. The fermentation of glucose from sugar cane produces pure ethanol. Of course, no. It produces impure ethanol fermentation, so disadvantage. Fermentation uses a non-renewable raw material. Of course, no, it's renewable raw material as we use sugar cane. So the correct answer here is B, the low temperature. Which equation represents an addition reaction? Addition, here we have a difference between addition and elimination and substitution. Addition, it means if we add something to our, or we add reagent to our compound, and this compound, it doesn't give me any byproduct. But substitution, if we add something or we replace something with another thing, and elimination, if we completely eliminate something without adding anything new. So here we are talking about the addition reaction. Addition reaction, it means if we have something and it doesn't give me any byproduct. The first reaction doesn't have any byproduct, but second and third and fourth, they have byproduct. It means this is not an addition reaction. The last one, the third one and fourth one, they are decomposition reactions. They are not addition, but the first one and second one, we cannot consider that second one is addition reaction, as here we have a byproduct. This is substitution reaction. So the first one is the addition reaction of the CH3 CHO, this is acetaldehyde, plus HCN to give us CH3 CHOHCN, which is cyanohydrine. So the reaction is A. This is the addition reaction. Question is, the structure of a part of polymer is shown as we see it here. How many amide and ester linkage are included in the structure shown. Look at the structure. How many amide linkage and how many ester linkage? Amide linkage is N C double bond O, and the ester is C double bond O O. So how many amide linkage? They are, this is the first one, and here another amide linkage. So they are 2. And ester linkage, we have just 1. So here look for amide linkage. There are 2. Which one? C, and 1 from the ester linkage. So C is the correct answer.